life with Smartline Limited sa feasibilities. Adventure awaits, travel and explore sa Island Pinas. Murder stories with hard music with Jojo Marcelo. So this is my story. This is my song. Sumbaling kakaibang sarap ng Pilipinas sa sarap Pinoy. Stay healthy, naturally and holistically with the Healthy Life. Good vibes all the way. Sit down. Positive music. Positive you. Celebrate culture. Food and world class. Hashtag Pinoy. Grow inside and out with Organic TV. Get inspired with extraordinary stories of ordinary people. Mula sa Blessed Pilipinas. Step into the quiet space to praise and be filled with the spirit of worship. The solemn sessions. Kaya tara, sabay-sabay natin sulitin ang bawat kwento, salita at adventure dito sa Live TV. Love you. Love you. Love you.
Love? Gawa-gawa lang yan.
Uso pa ba yan? Oo naman. May kilala akong nagbibigay ng pagmamahal na hindi napapagod.
Pagmamahal na hindi nakikita.
At pagmamahal na hindi nagbabago. At si Lord. Si Lord? Oo, si Lord.
Dahil minahal niya tayo, natutuloy tayong magmahal.
Because God is love.
Happy Heart Month mula sa Live TV.
Magsisimula na po ba ang susunod na programa? Ang telebisyon at pelikula ay mahalagang parte ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. It plays a crucial role in telling our own stories and our own experiences as Filipinos. Sa bagong Pilipinas, inaanyayahan ng MTRTV ang bawat manonood.
Kasama ang pribadong sektor, kaisa ninyo po, ang ating pamilya, at ang ating pamahalaan sa pagtangkilik sa mga pelikulang Pilipino at mga programang pang-telebisyon. Tamang Pilipino. Tara, nood tayo.
We bless and we transform as the Jesus Lord Church worldwide releasing the following programs that carry the message of salvation, faith, and miracles. JIL worship and healing service, word for the season, worship, word and wonders, life giver, praying one, Jesus is a healer. Stay connected with the sound and light of His love. Tune in to JIL Church programs here on Live TV. This is God at Work.
God is opening the door and saying, this is why I want you to at this particular time.
From heartfelt testimonies to life-changing sermons.
We want to bring everything that we put to the table to help the people that we're leading.
Be inspired by real stories, with real songs, real lives transformed by God. Beauty Great App TV. Here on Love TV.
Malalaman ninyong katotohanan, ang katotohanan ang magpapalaya sa inyo. I am not the villain. Jesus Christ living in me is the villain. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Kung hindi siya magdududa sa kanyang puso, sa halip, pagkos, mananampalataya siya, ang sinasabi ng kanyang bibig ay magyayari. He's living in the last days. In the future, you're affected. The thing is going to Bayang bigat para sa mga problema sa utang, trabaho, lupa at isyu sa pamilya.
Kung sila mag-atuloy na lumapit sa amin,
Dapat ito na namin sa inyo. kayo matatalino.
Tutok na sa free legal assistance with Kamao. Kasama ang ating mga magiging abogado sa Public Attorney's Office sa pangunguna ni Fire Chief Persida Ruben Acosta. Tuwing Huwebes, alas 9 hanggang alas 10 ng umaga. Mapapanood at mapapakinggan sa Live TV Radio. Free legal assistance with Kamao.
You're watching Friends Incorporated on Live TV.